Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company and SEO consultant. So today I have a question related to SEO. So let's get started on the question today I have. And since August, our SEO, okay, let me put myself over here. Since August, our SEO organic traffic has dropped significantly. And August to December is typically our busy season. How can I find out why our traffic has steadily dropped? Okay, okay. What you have sent me is more like a okay. This is a referring domain, and this is the organic traffic. So the traffic is going down, and you can see over here as well. The traffic has gone down, and the keywords have been reduced. Okay, because you said that August to December is typically a busy season. So in case if you want to look around on what was the core reason behind the decrease in the traffic, there are few things which way you may need to look on. First thing is, if I were you, I may look on the market. Sometimes there is an unexpected changes in the market, and which is why there is a low demand for a particular product or service or thing. So look on the market. If that is not the problem, then the problem is with your website. So now we are sure that the problem is not in the market, but we are on the website or with the competition. So my observations are going to be, first of all, I'm gonna write down on paper on what kind of a changes I have done on my website from last 3 months. Okay, if I were you, I would have written down all the things which I have done on the website, and I would also I may need to do SEO audit of my website. I need to figure out uh, how frequently I'm updating my content. Is my content outdated? I may need to add new posts. If I'm using WordPress, I may need to update my plugins. Uh, Even need to work on my old posts. Okay, these are the few things I may need to look on. Dead links on my website, image alt tags, optimization, CDN, website speed, compatibility of website with different devices, look around for any errors or issues on Google Search Console. If I'm using plugins like ahref or any even SEMrush is good, I may need to look on the errors which are being shown over there, and we need to get it restored or get them solved. So that would be my another strategy as well. So these are the few things, but in case if you need help and you are not able to figure out with these steps, then I suggest you to work with me and my team, and we can help you in not only doing SEO audit, but can help in implementing those that audit. So in case if you need any help in Google Ads, or I mean the SEO audit for your website, to see what is the reason behind your decrease in the traffic, especially in your peak season, I can help you. I can also help you in looking on your competitors, what they are doing, and how you may need to you know worker, and how you may need to improve. You may need to improve with the landing pages and what a strategy. We can also design a good SEO strategy for you. So in case if you need such services, all you have to do is to click on the link in the description, and my team can help you in resolving your SEO issues. Even in case if you need help in other SEO projects, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you have any questions still left regarding the question or the answers I did make, you can write in the comments of this video, And yes, thank you for watching this video. Take care and bye bye.